I can't believe I'm happy about receiving a key fob. Yes, I've been monitoring the website to see when this key fob will be available for purchase. One day towards the beginning, towards the middle of the month, suddenly became available at night, so I immediately purchased it as soon as it can be added to the basket. That's what it looks like. See a little closer. Comes in a small little box. Open it up. Now I just got this in, just ripped that package open, so here's what it looked like inside. Very nice. I guess the instructions right there, you can see. And comes with a battery. Oh, nothing else. Now I'm going to pair it with using my Android phone. I've only owned the car, my R1S tri-motor, for about maybe a month. So I know that these were in high demand and a lot of people had a problem trying to get them. So I've been monitoring the website for quite a while. This makes it a little bit easier if my brother wanted to drive the car. Of course it's programmed on my phone, but if my brother wanted to drive the car, somebody else who's visiting wanted to take out the car, it's easy to just give him a key instead of that little panel. I would have to give him this, which is okay, but I don't know. I think it's just a lot easier to hand somebody this and they know exactly which button to push to unlock the trunk, unlock the car. All right, so key has a lock that basically push this little button on the side here and it unlatches it, so you can push it up and let it latch, stays. Good to clip on your, I guess, belt or purse. When you open up the Rivian icon, the app shows the car. We go down to security and access. In here is where the keys are added. You can click there. You can see I don't have the battery in my fob. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the battery in and then add the key. So we'll go in here. It tells you, let's get your key set up, continue. Put the battery into the key. We're going to do that. The battery goes in with the tapered side, like so, in like this, right? And then to close this, go from the bottom, latch the bottom in first, then snap the top in. Okay? Now it's fully closed. Okay? So we put the key in, you can see that's blinking orange, right? Now we go next. It says hold the key next to the fob. There it is. There, almost done. Continue. Your key fob can unlock the vehicle with a tap. Okay, got it. It's still blinking. I think it's syncing with the car. Well, next. All right. So if we go back in here, you'll see there's two fobs in there now. Right? So what I want to do is I want to transfer this fob to my wife. You can see it's got the orange, so that's the active one. This was the other one that's not active right now. So we'll go here. And we're going to reassign key. Got it. So I'm going to transfer to my wife there. Assign key. And there it is. Now it is at my wife. If we go there, look at her accounts. You can see that she has it here. Right? This is my wife's account. So you see she has one key, I have one key. All right. Okay, I moved the phone out of the way just to make sure that it is not interfering with the key. I was able to open the hood. You have to press it twice. I didn't notice that. So if I double click, it should close. Yep. So it is paired. So I'm going to unlock the car again. There it is. And it does work. Very nice. So we have the key fob working now. If you thought the video was useful and you got something out of it, maybe you want to program your key for the first time, or you just want to see how the key was programmed, please go ahead and use my referral code. You will get, if you do purchase a Rivian, you will get $500 in their gear shop. And also likewise, I will get $500 also freeze and make videos on how to install it, or at least what I experienced installing it. Thank you, and hopefully we'll see you on the next adventure.